Professor Tammy here. Research questions and hypotheses are foundational elements in healthcare research. This presentation explores their significance and provides guidance on formulating effective questions and hypotheses to enhance research quality. We will start with the importance of research questions in healthcare, followed by steps to formulate them effectively. Next, we will explore the various types of research questions, understand the role of hypotheses, and finally learn how to evaluate and refine them. Research questions are pivotal in guiding the research process. They define the scope and direction of the study and help in addressing pertinent issues within healthcare. A research question is a clear, focused, and specific query that guides a research study. It should be researchable, relevant, and significant to the field of healthcare. Good research questions should be clear, focused, feasible, and relevant. They must also contribute to existing knowledge and be ethically sound. Formulating a research question involves several steps that ensure the question is well-defined and researchable. This process includes identifying the problem, conducting a literature review, and refining the question. The first step is to identify a specific problem or gap in the current literature. This requires understanding existing research and recognizing areas that need further exploration in healthcare. A thorough literature review helps to contextualize the research question. It involves examining existing studies, methodologies, and findings related to the identified problem. After conducting the literature review, it is essential to refine and narrow down the research question to make it specific and manageable, ensuring it addresses a particular aspect of the problem. Research questions in healthcare can be categorized into different types based on their focus and intent. Understanding these categories helps in selecting the appropriate approach for your study. Descriptive questions seek to provide an understanding of a particular phenomenon by describing characteristics or behaviors. They often begin with what or how and do not involve comparison. Comparative questions analyze the differences or similarities between two or more groups or variables. These questions are essential for understanding the effects of interventions or treatments. Relational questions explore the connections or relationships between two or more variables. They are often used to investigate correlations or causations in healthcare research. Hypotheses play a crucial role in research as they provide a tentative explanation or prediction that can be tested through empirical investigation. Understanding their definition and characteristics is vital. A hypothesis is a specific testable prediction about the expected outcome of a research study based on a particular theoretical framework or existing literature. While a research question asks what you want to find out, A hypothesis provides a proposed answer or expectation. Understanding this distinction is essential for structuring research. A strong hypothesis should be clear, testable, and based on existing knowledge. It should also be specific enough to allow for empirical testing and data collection. Transforming a well-defined research question into a hypothesis is a critical step in the research process. It involves ensuring that the hypothesis is measurable and aligns with the research goals. To transform research questions into hypotheses, researchers need to articulate their predictions in a clear and testable format. This process makes the research direction explicit. It's crucial that the developed hypothesis can be tested through data collection and analysis. Ensuring that variables are measurable allows for a rigorous research design. Examples of hypotheses in healthcare research can illustrate the transformation from research questions. These examples exhibit how hypotheses guide the research process and determine study outcomes. Once formulated, research questions and hypotheses should be continuously evaluated and refined. This ensures that the study remains relevant and addresses the identified research gaps. Obtaining peer feedback is essential for refining research questions and hypotheses. Constructive criticism can highlight weaknesses and provide new perspectives. Conducting pilot studies can provide preliminary data that helps in assessing the feasibility of the research questions and hypotheses. This step can reveal necessary adjustments before the main study. Research is an iterative process, and continuous refinement of questions and hypotheses is key to adapting new findings or challenges. Staying flexible enhances the quality of research. Effective research questions and hypotheses are crucial for successful healthcare research. By following structured steps, understanding their characteristics, and continuously refining them, researchers can enhance the rigor and impact of their studies. That's all, folks.